Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Forza 5 and heading straight into Settings. This is where account privacy lives. Once in, sign into your Xbox or Microsoft profile if required. This links game controls to your account. Then navigate to the Account submenu and choose Privacy and Online Safety. You do this now so you can change permissions that affect multiplayer, voice chat, and data sharing. Make sure your controller and network are stable, otherwise changes may not save. Next, you'll work through the specific privacy toggles. Locate multiplayer, voice, and profile visibility and switch them to your desired levels. Turning off voice or visibility reduces who can contact you. Then disable data sharing, activity feed, and targeted content to limit telemetry and ads. This changes what the game sends to servers. Once done, confirm each change with save or apply so settings are written to your account. Otherwise, your adjustments can revert. Finish by exiting to the main menu and rebooting the game so new settings fully apply. This forces a fresh sync with your account. If settings do not persist, make sure to review your Xbox account online privacy on Xbox.com, since global account rules can override in-game toggles. If problems continue, clear the console cache or reinstall Forza 5. These steps resolve corrupted local files. One troubleshooting tip: sign out and back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.